Pro Arm Wrestler predicts the Hermes vs Levan rematch. Artyom Morozov was preparing for the impossible task to defeat Levan, but before the match, Levan injured his wrist and had to cancel the super match. So Artyom has obviously studied Levan Saginashvili's arm wrestling style. I think Hermes has a very good chance and I'm gonna cheer for Hermes. Hermes already knows how to stop Levan. He's getting stronger, he's lifting better, he's lifting very good weights. Last time Levan had an injury and Devon stopped him. Devon is not making as big progress as Hermes does. So Hermes will stop Levan and very well may beat him. Considering how young the Terminator is, he will surely face both Levan and Hermes in the future. Matt Mask has arm wrestled and defeated Hermes, and then he has lost to him as well. So he clearly knows how much better Hermes shows up in a rematch compared to the first super match. I hope we see something similar to the last fight they had. Levan is on a different level than every other arm wrestler we already know. Whether or not Hermes is gonna pull this off, I don't know. They both learned from their last match a lot. I think it's 50-50, but if Levan is just thinking he's gonna power through him and it won't come to stamina, then I think we could end up seeing Hermes bring the upset we all have been hoping for. I'm going for Hermes. I'm fucking rooting for that fucking Italian. You will see a pattern that many arm wrestlers have started rooting for Hermes Gasparini. They want the gladiator to pull off the upset. Alex Cordecha was being hyped as the next Levan Slayer due to his size and his genetics. His day might come in the future, but he's not there yet. Although he has defeated Hermes Gasparini. Levan is our king. All the time, he's the strongest. Hermes now has a very special match. In his eyes, I can see he really believes that he can beat Levan, and he did a great preparation for that. He really have a plan to take Levan's hand. As a fan of arm wrestling, I really want to see a very good match. I want to see Hermes stop Levan, but Levan is still the favorite to win. So looks like Alex has some faith in Hermes. He wants him to win, but he's not ready to predict against Levan. As of now, Hermes is not ready to give Alex his rematch, but if Hermes loses to Levan, then maybe we can see that rematch in the future. Denis Siplenkov's initial plan was to arm wrestle John Brzezinski, then arm wrestle Devon Larratt and beat him too, and then go for Levan Saginashvili. He lost to Devon and then got offered the Hermes Gasparini match, which he himself cancelled. But he must have done a lot of research on both Hermes and Levan. Hermes is the only guy that gave Levan a good fight. He won against Michael Todd. Hermes is looking in very good shape. He knows how to pull against Levan. He has prepared very well this time. Hermes has a very good chance to beat Levan Saginashvili. I'm super excited. It's very big match for the title and it is going to be a war. Hermes can definitely win this. Levan is just a slight favorite. I'm sure Body Mania channel will put the camera on Denis while he's watching this legendary battle live. We will get to see his reaction for sure. Vitaly Laletin has competed against and unfortunately lost to both of these arm wrestlers, but he knows them very well. For sure, Hermes is the weaker guy. I always cheer for the underdog. Levan is the favorite to win, but I want Hermes to win. If somehow Hermes manages to win against Levan, then it will be incredible. If Hermes wins, I will still go to face Levan Saginashvili because it will be an honor for me. I think if Vitaly beats Devon in August, then he will get the winner of this Hermes vs Levan match. But if he loses against Devon, then I think he should get the loser of this Hermes vs Levan match. Since we are talking about Devon Larratt, Devon is another arm wrestler who has competed against both Hermes and Levan, twice against Levan, and he has defeated Hermes Gasparini. He's the number 2 arm wrestler in the world, so he's kind of stuck between Hermes and Levan. So he has the most data in this world about both of these arm wrestlers. I have seen Hermes come a long way. His lifts are super impressive. His strength in those specific angles is really good, and that's gonna be a problem for Levan. Hermes is much stronger than the last time, but Levan is Levan. Levan is angry. I don't think he likes when people talk about those 2 rounds. He is going to come to make a statement. I think by looking at that curl alone, he is looking in the best shape that I've ever seen him. I think Levan is heavy favorite. I think Hermes is going to get busted up. But despite all of these statements supporting Levan's victory or predicting Levan's victory, Devon has said that Hermes, out of all of the arm wrestlers in this world, has the highest chance to pull off the upset against Levan. Devon will have his eyes glued to the screen for this big match. He will have his rematch, most likely against both of them in the near future. Kamil Jablonski mentioned that unlike Hermes, Levan didn't show too much of his training because he's scared Hermes might figure out his weaknesses, and Hermes has made way more gains than Levan in the last couple of years. I think Hermes has a lot of chances to win. Even if it is already 2 years after the wrist injury, I am 100% sure in the head of Levan is still the injury inside the wrist. Looks like Kamil is supporting and predicting Hermes to win, but he also warned Hermes to be careful. If Levan can jump into a press like he did against Devon, then he might injure Hermes Gasparini. Irakli Zirakashvili is Levan's training partner. He knows the most about Levan's current shape, obviously after Levan Saginashvili, but more than anyone else in this world. His words and his shape might be biased towards Levan, but his assessment of Levan's current shape is better and more accurate than anyone else. Trust me, everybody watching this right now, Hermes is gonna lose so quickly, he will be in a shock. Hermes will try to run away from the table, he will cry a lot, and I will try to convince him to bring him back to the table. In the post-match interview, he's gonna say, "I can't believe I came here to lose like this so quickly. Why the hell?" There was a little back and forth between Hermes and Irakli recently, so maybe because of that, Irakli is so harsh against the gladiator. I've never seen David Dadikian practice right-handed against either Levan or Hermes, but since he recently became a super heavyweight, he knows the kind of power that these guys possess. I look at Hermes, he posts videos with these insane weights, and Levan just quietly doesn't post anything. I'm not sure how to predict this match because for sure Hermes is getting better and stronger, and Levan has been in shadows. Of course, Levan is the favorite, but I'm not really sure this time. So most of the guys who doesn't even know in what kind of shape Levan really is are still predicting Levan to win. That's a little bit surprising considering how strong Hermes has gotten since the last time. Georgi Svetkov has beaten Levan in the past, but now he believes that Levan has reached an unbeatable status. I think it will be a good match, but Levan will beat him. He may not be able to flash pin Hermes, but he will beat him in 2 to 3 surges. It will be a confident win for Levan. If Georgi's prediction really goes well, I would like to see Hermes Gasparini versus Georgi in the future. Georgi's wrist is pretty solid. He may be able to do something against Hermes. Monster Michael Todd wanted to arm wrestle Levan for the #1 rank in the world. He wanted to go through Hermes to get that opportunity, but he couldn't. But of course, he has done a lot of research about both of these arm wrestlers. I have been saying 75-25 this whole time, and I will probably stick with it. And people think that it is a whitewash, it is a blowout, but I think Hermes has phenomenal chances. If he wins 1 round, he wins the whole thing. If it is 3-0 Levan and after that Hermes wins 1 round, he will win the whole thing. As I just said, Michael knows the weaknesses and strengths of both Levan and Hermes. Maybe he even secretly practiced with Levan in 2021 in Dubai. Hermes the Gladiator Gasparini is the only person in this world to take 2 rounds away from Levan. He is the only person in this world who knows Levan's weaknesses and is also strong enough to exploit them. People are tired to see him win every time. He need to lose this time. People hate to see him win again and again. Last time I went there just to compete. This time I will go there to win. I have improved more than him since the last time. I will do everything to beat him. I can't wait to see the faces of his friends present there on 21st of June. It's Hermes Gasparini's dream to wake up at least for 1 day and know that he's the true champion of the world. He's the #1 super heavyweight arm wrestler in the world, and he will do anything to achieve that dream. Last time he went into the match with no expectations of winning. This time he's going into the match with no expectations of losing. Levan Saginashvili. We can say that Hermes has figured out Levan. We can say that all we want. But the reality is Levan won that match, and now he has worked specifically on that weak weak point, while Hermes on the other hand had to get better everywhere. I will destroy Hermes Gasparini. It's zero chance that he will win the match. I am in a very good shape. I am feeling so strong. I am in the best shape that I have ever been. I will destroy him. I will make him quit. I will feel sorry for his fans. It's gonna be a really quick match. Maybe after I win 5-0, I will give him one round and imagine how happy he will be. Even after his wrist injury, Levan defeated Devon 6-0. Until proven otherwise, Levan is the one true king of arm wrestling and he isn't ready to give up that title just yet.